Okay guys, Georgie's at the door. This is her take 2 because she didn't like how she looked the first time. I'm still going to put the other one on there though, so you won't miss out. Okay, I'm going to knock on the door. Okay. We haven't seen each other in about... that is how it should have gone the first time. I love you, Georgie. Okay, she looks a bit better now.
I'm not in my PJs anymore. Hi guys. In.
This is Ollie. Hi Ollie. Hello. Hello Ollie. Wait. So I hope you like the take the take 2.
Bet you messed my hair up, didn't you?
No, it's fine. Yeah, apparently Georgie's taking me out for lunch today, which would be nice. So I
Just to Costa, because we're cool.
Yeah, to Costa. I'll take the camera along so we can have a little look at that.
Or do you want to go to Costa?
Well, where do you want to go?
Bakery's next to it, and they have like big chocolate muffins.
Big chocolate muffins, I think is a better idea then, if we go there. Yeah?
I'm getting my bag.
Okay, well, we'll probably walk down there, so it'll probably take us a bit of a while, so I won't film that. What's she doing? She's not used to this. She's being a bit excitable.
I'm a little bit excited. I'm like,
I'm kind of used to it, famous. Yeah, I'm kind of used to it because I've been chatting to you guys for, I don't know, about four days now. So I've been, I'm kind of getting used to it. So yeah, we'll put the camera back on when we get into the Darheath, isn't it?
Darheath.
Darheath, yeah. So I'll see you later, guys.